Okay, so I just got home. It's 150.1. Let's see. See how hot. Man, that amp is ice cold, bro. Let's see. So there they are. Resilient sounds. Onyx 12s. Cones are slightly, they're slightly warm, but not hot. Just barely warm. I was riding around and it sounded a little louder today to me. So I came home and got the meter. And yeah, I guess it is. So let's see. This lighting sucks. So 150.1 at 46 hertz, 13.5 volts. So I just brought it up to clip, and then just where it just start to clip, so it'll be all fair. So the only thing is, this is in the kick, and I just had that window cracked. I don't know, about 4 or 5 inches, and it did that 150.1. So not too shabby for 212s. And I got a new meter here. My other one broke, so I got this one, and I don't know if there's any difference in them. And it's got the way it came settings in it.